Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for Photoshop. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can make money with the Photoshop beta version. Whether you're a professional graphic designer or just a hobbyist, this tutorial will show you some effective ways to monetize your skills. So, let's dive right in. Create Photoshop tutorials. One of the most popular ways to make money on YouTube is by creating Photoshop tutorials. With the new Photoshop beta, you can showcase its unique features and teach others how to use them effectively. Start by planning your tutorial content and target a specific audience. Then, record your screen as you demonstrate the steps, explain the techniques, and provide useful tips. Make sure your videos are engaging and visually appealing to attract a wider audience. Offer paid online courses. If you have extensive knowledge of Photoshop beta, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create your own courses and reach a global audience. Develop a comprehensive curriculum that covers different aspects of the Photoshop beta version. Structure your course with logical progressions, assignments, and quizzes to ensure your students learn effectively. Market your course through social media, your website, or collaborations with other Photoshop enthusiasts. Sell digital products. Another great way to make money from Photoshop beta is by selling digital products. Utilize your creative skills to design and develop high-quality assets that people can use in their projects. These could include custom brushes, presets, textures, or even templates for social media graphics or website designs. Set up an online store on platforms like Etsy or your own website to sell these digital products. Don't forget to promote your products through social media and collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. Provide graphic design services. If you're confident in your Photoshop beta skills, you can offer graphic design services to clients. This could include creating logos, branding materials, social media graphics, or even photo retouching. Build a portfolio showcasing your best work and create a website to showcase your services. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to attract clients. Engage with potential clients and provide exceptional customer service to establish your reputation. Collaborate with brands and influencers. As your channel and skills grow, you can collaborate with brands and influencers in the creative industry. Reach out to companies or influencers whose values align with your content and propose collaboration ideas. This could involve creating sponsored content, designing graphics for their campaigns, or promoting their products. Collaborations can help you expand your reach, gain exposure, and open up new opportunities for monetization. And there you have it, 5 effective ways to make money with Photoshop beta on YouTube. Whether you choose to create tutorials, sell digital products, offer design services, or collaborate with others, always remember to provide value and maintain the quality of your work. Consistency and dedication are key to success in the online creative space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.